Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to close your Zoho account? Well, in this step-by-step guide, we will walk you throughout how to permanently delete your Zoho account in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first of all, I will need you to go ahead and open zoho.com. This will take you to this page where you can open the Zoho official website. Then, of course, the most important thing is to log into your account. Here in your account, you'll have the My Account option, so click on it, and this will take you to this area. Just to verify your account, so you should verify it by an OTP that will be sent to your email. So simply just head up to your email, open your inbox, and you will receive the OTP right there. Let me just copy it like so, and here I am. Let's go and verify it. Oh, it's wrong. Never mind. Let me just go through this because there might be one of them. I'm not really willing to go through each one of them one by one. So yeah, I have a lot. Now, as you can see, this is the account. Here you will find privacy. So privacy will have manager contacts, you will compliance, and basically the settings. So settings, guys, you will find literally everything, and one of these things that are necessary, I mean everything related to your account settings, but the necessary option which is in preference, and the first page, if you went all the way down, you will find this delete or basically close accounts. This will permanently delete all the data associated with your account and the apps you use. Closing your Zoho account will permanently delete all your account information, and you will no longer be able to use any of the Zoho services. So click on here to close the account. As you can see here, we will take you throughout the following stages one by one to close your account. Read the following overview, then click proceed. For detailed instructions, refer help article. So this is like basically a help article about what to do before deleting your account. And here there's one more also, so we're gonna go through them as well. So here, used apps. Go through the list of apps you used. The data in these apps will be deleted while closing your account. Second, paid subscriptions. The apps in which you have a paid subscription will be listed and subscribe from them in Zoho Store. And then 3, app-specific organizations. App-specific organizations means the different organizations, portals, and departments you have created within the apps. Some of them require your action to proceed with closing your account, while others will be deleted automatically. And fourth, close accounts. Give your consent to close the account and continue. So let's proceed. Click in here, and this will take us here. These are the used apps. So the apps you use listed below when you close your account, all the data associated with these apps will be deleted. So for example, if you were deleting your accounts, every contact you have will be deleted, every list of invoice will be permanently deleted, every CRM deal will be deleted, every setting that you made in the mails will be deleted, every event that is on the calendar, it's gonna be deleted. That is why, guys, I have plenty of videos that I've made about importing and exporting your data into Zoho. Make sure that you import every single data that you have in your account by going throughout our videos. It's pretty easy. There is like one step that you follow and duplicate it in all these apps. Simply do it, and you will recover or have a backup plan in case you would like to actually basically reopen a new account, since you will never know what will happen in the future. Now, since they have shown you and basically listed below the apps, let's click on next. Here, another OTP. Let's go ahead and verify the account again, and it will take us to the next step. So let's wait. Okay, so here, app specific organization. So some of your app specific organizations will require your action to proceed, while others will be deleted while closing your account. So this app will be deleted, everything here will be deleted for me. For your case, maybe you will have some apps that will need to be closed by you, and then it will be taking you to the next step. So here we go. Now we are on the final step, which is closing the accounts. So here you have a couple of things that you have to fill. First of all, the reason for closing your account, as you can see right here. So let's choose, for example, so there is a lot of answers. For example, there is app subscriptions are too expensive, required features are not available, or working properly. There is apps are complicated to use, supports and help resources are not sufficient. Going to create a new Zoho account, going to join my company organization account/organization created in the wrong data center, account organization created by mistake, and only used for testing out the apps, and basically other reason. So in case you have written other reason or anything, you will of course you will eventually need to also write a text here. Would you like to share feedback with us? Now, this is not necessary, I think, so you simply have to click here. Please note that all data associated with your apps will be deleted as per our privacy policy. The deletion is permanent and the data cannot be recovered. So once we are sure of our step and we do not want to go back, then yeah, this is all we need to do. Simply click on close accounts. Yeah, we need to enter feedback. It is a big mess, and close the account. As you can see here, we need to actually verify it again. So yeah, let's do this. And as you can see now, the account is gonna be deleted permanently. Now, this is the only way that the account is gonna be deleted. So let me try to connect to the account real quick. And as you can see, this will basically, yeah, as you can see, this will take me to the sign up. So now they are asking me for my name, etc. So let me just put here something like that. I agree. And basically, yeah, we are now going to create our account from scratch. So as you can see, this is the same account that we have used to use. And yeah, it is now created from scratch. Everything is new. If you went to the settings, close account again, proceed. Yeah, this is the only app that I have at the moment. Click on next. This is the only app again. And yeah, next thing is basically deleting the account. So we have deleted the account successfully, and we created a new one instantly. So this is why I pretty much like it. The fact that I can create an account very simple and very easy to use in this Gmail function or Google function functionality that allows me to create it instantly. But yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. This is how you can delete your account on Zoho. I hope you liked the video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Drop down your comment down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.